What's up, traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, the trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about all aspect of trading. So as a first day of trading week, guys, we started a new trading week, and we can see that with this new trading week, the market started to move exactly according to the plan. And what you can see on my screen on gold, we have seen that gold, in fact, after grabbing liquidity from the support level, gold had a bounce to the upside. Now this 4-hour candle, what we saw that it grabbed liquidity multiple times from this support. Now there is a doji initially, and then we have seen that the price has crossed all of them and then had a bounce to the upside. I think that gold might remain bullish. The way I see that potentially upside on gold. Now if you look at this lower time frame, we can see that from this lower time frame, gold is bouncing towards the upside. So there is a potentially bullish movement on gold from lower time frame. This is the 15 minutes candle, as you can see, has formed a doji, and that also crossed the 20 EMA, moving towards the upside. So we can see that potentially bullish price action on gold. And if I look at bigger picture, okay, from the daily, what I see that gold highly likely we could see that gold going up to test this daily resistance line, and at least we can expect it to come to 50% of the daily long week candle. So looking at this time frame, let me see if there is an opportunity. I think that there is a bullish move on gold after this doji. It grabbed liquidity, and then we have seen that the bulls again buying this market. So let me see. Just see that the market started to move. We can find an entry here, from here towards the upside. So there is a bullish move now started on gold from this level. Let me see, 56. So I think it's very fast. It's moving. I was trying to get an entry here on gold, and you see the price just crossed the 20 EMA and nicely had a bullish move from this level. So you see that gold is showing potentially bullish momentum. Let me see, I was waiting for an entry here on gold. And also let me know in the live chat, guys. I just keep the camera off, just a little bit of change here. Afternoon, thank you very much. Derek, where is coach? Thank you. Your AUD USD, thank you very much for being here. GJ, yeah, absolutely, thank you. Coach, I missed you. How are you following from Botswana? Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm here. Thanks for being here. Hi coach, thank you very much. Hi coach, watching from Zim, can you please do a breakdown on GU? Yeah, absolutely. I'll be looking at all of them, guys, one by one. So let me see that we might find an entry on gold. So there could be potentially we're looking at that. Thank you. Morning, Omar. Thanks, coach. No problems. Hi, everyone. Are you entering gold now? We're just looking at that. There is a potentially bullish momentum on gold, and this is the 15 minutes doji, had a bullish momentum. So it looks like there will be a 5 minutes middleman. Okay, so I will be entering gold long position from here. Stop loss below this low TP target here, okay, which is around 1.8 times or more. Okay, and also send the same trade to Gbpusd as well. Looks like that gold might be moving to the upside, so anything can happen, guys. Keep in mind, everything is educational. Very tight. Okay, so very tight entry, right? So I'm expecting it to move to the upside. I'll explain why I'm opening buy. All right, so what happened is that gold, from a 4-hour perspective, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there is a bullish candle on 4-hour. Okay, this is a bullish engulfer that has, you know, significant liquidity grab from the support. Now with that bullish engulfer, we saw that gold had a, you know, bounce towards the upside. Now this is a very tight entry, right? So what I'm expecting, if you look at this 15 minutes, just, you know, a bit more tight. So I want to see that. Okay, so this 5 minutes had a bullish. Now this is just only how many pips stop loss? You can see only 15 pips stop loss. If you are out of the trade, you are out of the trade, but if it moves to the upside, you'll be able to find movement. All right, so there is a rejection from the top. If it managed to break to the upside, we'll be moving the stop loss at entry. Let me see. Okay, so that's might be, it didn't work out. It's gone. Let's see. It's very tight. Let me see. We'll find, if we find, we will be entering again. Okay, guys, always manage the risk. It's very important. See, this is how I trade. I just put a very tight entry so that I'm not, you know, I'm not losing big. So there is a rejection from the top. See, if we find an entry, we'll be entering again. Okay, so what we see that from this resistance, there is a, I think it will move up again to the upside. Okay, so I think that it might move up again the way it shows. Okay, so just grab liquidity. All right, I'm going to buy again gold. Stop loss below this low. Okay, TP target again 321 from this level. Okay, so it was a liquidity gap. It has come down here, right? So I'm on a trade again, on a buy trade. Okay, so it's just moving in the direction. Right, so this is what the trading is. You need to be in the bigger profit area. So this 5 minutes, you can see this is a bullish candle. It's also grab liquidity. For me, okay, what I think that if you look at this 15 minutes candle, which is a bullish middleman, and so from this level it just has come down to gather liquidity, and I'm expecting it to break to the upside. It's starting of this candle yet, and there could be some up and down. So as news is coming later today, if we see that the prices before the news, if we see significant movement, we'll take some profit, and then we'll move the stop loss at entry. Okay, so first of all, let's see how it does. Just keep in mind, guys, that trading is all about probability, doing the risk management, and then trading based on proper risk management is very, very important. Okay, anything can happen in trading. Now from 1 hour, we look at the daily. We saw that from the daily perspective, it's a bullish market. Almost near the entry. Let me see. Okay, if it is like creating a fake move, then okay, so it is grabbing liquidity here. All right, so let's see how it, after this candle close, how it behave. I don't know why this. Market is gathering liquidity, guys. Can't do anything here. Wait for that. So let me see from the daily. Okay, see what the heck is going on here? How many times it grabbed liquidity from this level? You see how many times it's now pushing high again? So it's basically preparing for bigger move. That is sometimes ridiculous. You can see that now it's, oh my god, how many times it grabbed liquidity from here? Alright guys, now it's prepared for another move. So it's gonna highly likely it's gonna go up. Let me see. I'm not going to buy again, just I'm seeing the risk reward. This is might come back down to this level from the daily support. Yeah, there is a lot of, it's in a manipulation. Okay, so we see that let it play out first of all. Might see that the buyers and sellers. Okay, let's look at other instrument and then we'll come back to gold. Let me see. Just looking at all of them, guys, we see that majority of them is in a sideways. Gbp AUD trade that we had open, has given us the full profit. Gbp AUD, we had a massive trade on Gbp AUD, and I'm looking forward to have another one. There's a 4-hour candle close coming. I think that Gbp AUD could remain bullish. See, dollar CAD, just looking at all of them. So dollar yen, we see that dollar yen, after testing this level, pushing to the upside. If we look at the daily, I'm just seeing, guys, which one is doing what. So basically gold failed to create a higher high. Okay, so that's just set a breakdown. And looking at the daily, okay, after testing the daily resistance on gold, it has come back down below the daily support level. So that means that it failed to break this resistance. Okay, it failed to break this resistance. Instead, it started to move down. And that means that gold might might remain bearish or consolidate. See, this is the 15 minutes. It's a bullish candle, but it fails to create a new higher high. Instead, we saw this breakdown. So that means from 5 minutes, better to wait for the news to see. Alright guys, now this 5 minutes candle, gold in a very crucial level. Okay, so we need to wait for the news. Let's 3 minutes to go for the news, and then once the news been released, we will be able to see how it is doing. Looking at the DXY, guys, we see the DXY from this previous bearish candle, instead of dropping, start to move up. So DXY, with the news, how DXY is reacting will be reflected on gold. If DXY is pushing high, then we might see the downside on gold. And very interestingly, instead of pushing high, we saw that there is a breakdown. Now, manipulation, yeah, there is Gbpusd. There is a huge manipulation. Yeah, thank you. So let's see what news is doing to the price action, and then we'll be looking for an entry again in an instrument. You see, just broken this resistance and then immediately rejected. Now because it gathered liquidity, we might see that gold is coming down a lot. So you see this is the 15 minutes and 5 minutes candle on gold. Let me know guys, which way, what do you think, which way gold is heading? I think that's a, see, breaking this swing low. I think it's gonna go up again. Yeah, the camera is here, but just I'm trying to. So what's the news result? If you look at the calendar, so the result has came out to be positive for DXY. Okay, so now that could lead gold. That's why we see the downside on gold. So that has given the DXY boost to the upside. Now it is important to see how it is impacting the gold. So there is a massive liquidity gap. Let me see. So this market is in a sideways. Guys, what I think that you see after this 5 minutes bearish candle, this one also forming bearish, so that does that bringing the gold downside. Let's see. Now this is structure on gold. It is very unlikely that gold will be trending from this level. It might move in a sideways. You guys give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, due to time difference we have experienced all now. Okay, so you see that if you look at the daily on gold, all right, we saw from this resistance line gold had a bounce. Okay, if we look at the weekly, in fact what it did, it went to the 50% of this weekly candle and started to drop. I don't think that gold will be able to drop much this way, because if you look at this weekly candle, it is a bullish candle. All right, so from 4 hour previous session has this bullish candle and then broken the resistance line, rejected. So this is a liquid. From 30 minutes there is a middleman. From 5 minutes I really don't see big possibility for a trending in that way, right? Instead we might see that sideways movement, I think, because if you look at the daily, the price already below the daily, previous daily, tested the previous daily low, and it might come down again immediately, might go back up again. Let's see how it does. Let me look at, in the meantime, euro dollar. Okay, so looking at euro dollar, we saw that euro dollar today is the first day of trading week. From the daily perspective, we saw that there is a doji. Now today, from 4 hour, we can see that euro dollar with this bullish candle, it failed to create a higher high, instead had a rejection, because as a fundamental we saw that there's a downside on, like the result came out to be favorable to DXY, so we saw some downside. What I think that now, euro dollar, we might see that deeper pullback in this market. Okay, so or we could see sideways movement. There is a probability for sideways or deeper pullback on euro dollar, because it fails to create a higher high, and we saw this double top. You see this green candle on the 4 hour, it was a bullish candle, but it failed to create a higher high. Instead you saw this rejection, and I think that euro dollar will just continue to drop now to this level, or maybe we will see that pullback, deeper pullback. Right, so that could lead gold, because gold failed to create a higher high, we could see that now coming down for lower low, multiple times liquidity grab. And because euro dollar and gold literally move almost in the same direction, so gold has grabbed liquidity multiple times. GJ, let me look at GJ. Okay, so GJ looks like that. Yeah, GJ looks to me that so we see that from the support 1 hour, so most of the JPY pairs, if you look at EurojPY, also the same way. Let me look at NZD. So you see that JPY pairs getting stronger. I think NZD JPY looks to me highly bullish market. From the weekly, we saw a doji from 4 hour. GBP, so all the JP, especially Eurojpy, also looks to me that bullish from daily, monthly and weekly. Okay, so if you look at the monthly, so I will be going long on Eurojpy. Looks to me that we could see this one is, yeah, so I see according to a TF strategy there is a potential bullish opportunity here, so I will go long on Eurojpy. It's a swing trade, so we'll keep that running until we see a result. So this is the entry, and I'll keep it 221. So 221 is a good reward to risk. Yeah, so this is where I'll be. So the stop loss on this trade for me is around 81 pips, so it's a big stop loss, guys, keep in mind. If I move it here, I'll also share this with VIPs as well. It will be around so Eurojpy, to me it's a bullish market, okay, because if you look at this overall picture, you saw the price has broken this swing low and then created this movement towards the upside. Now from lower time frame, we see the market has broken this low and had a rejection. Now if we look at the GBP/JPY, almost similar way, but euro looks stronger than GBP. So, and also CHF/JPY is also showing potentially bullish price action, and CHF and euro looks stronger than GBP. Right, so if we look at the daily here as well, I think NZD/JPY also the same way looks potentially bullish. So NZD/JPY also looks impressive. Okay guys, so yeah, Eurojpy, since we opened, started to move to the upside. I think JPY, NZD/JPY, Eurojpy, GBP/JPY and CHF/JPY, all of them highly likely you could see that moving to the upside, and gold has made false breakout and started to move towards the downside again. Okay, So gold might be trending to the downside. Right, so we see that also Aussie yen, all of the yen pairs started to move. Gbpusd also might be reversing. What we could see, so GBP AUD, you close to it 2.5 times profit on this one. How many of you were on the GBP AUD trade? Let me know, guys. And also give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn the strategy that I am trading, also you can join us. There is a link in the description area. You can visit the website. Once you are on the website, click join now button. You will be able to access everything. Once you are our member, all the strategies, all the trading tools that I Thank you very much. Interesting. Gilberto, thank you very much. Thank you. Gjpy, GJ looks better. Yeah, so yeah, looks to me that if you look at Euro GBP, you can see that Euro is stronger than GBP. You see that when you look at Euro GBP, you can see that Euro GBP, like Euro going up and then GBP. So Euro GBP, Euro is stronger than GBP. So when it looks to GBP JPY and Euro JPY, to me is Euro JPY is better choice than GBP JPY. Alright guys, and also CHF JPY looks to me better, and ZD JPY also looks to me that we could see that movement. And guys, in the meantime, if you are looking for a regulated broker, you can join EverTrade. They are our recommended broker. So EverTrade, link in the description area. Also, I can give a link in the live chat. You can click the link. Okay, you can click the link and then register for free. Start trading with a regulated broker. Use a code, partner code Wizard, to get 20% bonus on your account. So you can use this code while you are doing the registration. Thank you for that. And yeah, so I will recommend always to use a regulated broker when you are trading. And also in the meantime, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every day, every weekend, there is a lot of content is released to help traders, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy this channel. So Euro JPY, I'm expecting it to break to the upside because it grabbed liquidity from here. Now if you look at our TF strategy, this is where I'm going long because it satisfied the rules of our strategies. Trading is all about having a strategy, having rules. So now you can access this TF indicator. It's one of my favorite trading tool that I use to trade. You can access this from your student dashboard. Now, if you are our lifetime member, you can access it, or if you are not, then I'll recommend you to join us. Then you can access everything that we have. Let me know any question that you have. So I think the CHF JPY, you can see that it crossed this dodges low, closing as a bullish candle. And if you look at the bigger picture, this is a long-term bull market. I think Euro J and CHF JPY, both of them potentially bullish. Okay, so CHF JPY in fact has a significant movement, and Euro JPY also moving aggressively. I think NZD JPY a bit less, but ultimately I think it's gonna go up as well. if you look at the daily, you can see that the market in fact has come well below this level. Anyone on the Eurusdjpy trade, guys? I also send the same trade to VIPs as well. So let me see the gold. Gopi Krishna, I think gold, gold, it gathered liquidity from the resistance and then had a rejection. It might come down well below, but it failed to create a higher high. We might see that gold coming down again. Thanks, no problem. UJ is buy trend. Okay, gold drop. Yep, see that gold is coming down. So that means that dollar yen, we see that potentially bullish. Okay, so looks like that dollar yen, you can see this is a bullish engulfer on dollar yen. And if we look at the weekly, I think dollar yen, it's a long-term bullish market, dollar yen. If you look at the monthly, you can see that this is the monthly candle. From the weekly, we can see this is a bullish price action. From the daily as well, the price has come to the support, had a bounce. And dollar yen, you can see it crosses this significant liquidity zone. And I think that dollar yen, highly likely we could see that, because it formed this inverted head and shoulder, and highly likely we'll see dollar yen is moving towards the upside. All right, so yeah, in the meantime, guys, give a big thumbs up, join the free Telegram channel. I'll pause for 2 seconds. Everyone have time to give a thumbs up, and also to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you for that. So yen pair looks like that, showing potentially upside. Okay, going to the gold, bearish engulfer. So this bullish candle on gold was a fake out. All right, so with that fake out, in fact, gold has broken this support. It's a very interesting price action. You can see whenever the price is hitting that resistance, gathering liquidity, and then coming back to the support level. Thank you very much, Francis. Your call is appreciated. Yeah. Why still buy gold? I think it's gone. we might see that there could be waterfall on gold. Okay, so Eurojpy had a significant bounce. Okay, so that's good that it's going in the direction that we expected. How the bond, very good, Andy. Absolutely. It's doing very well. So Eurojpy, since we open, it's gone to around 26p profit. Right, I'm also running in profit. So Gbpusd, and gold is the other way around. Aussie and also so yen pairs are going started to its long-term uptrend. Let's go to Eurojpy. So let's see gold again. Okay, so we see that gold is highly bearish. So at this point we see this breakdown. We'll look for an entry. Let Eurojpy running, and also I think that NZDJPY, Eurojpy, so all the JPY pairs looks bullish. Let me see dollar yen also. I think the dollar yen also might turn to be bullish. I'm just looking at all of them, guys, to see. So in all of them, what I see that JPY pairs are very aggressively bullish, and also euro looks stronger. Let's go back to gold to see. So from 1 hour perspective, we saw that there's a bearish candle on gold that has closed below all this low, and from this level we can expect gold to come down again. So there's a bearish price action on gold. So you can see this is a local breakdown, and from this channel gold has, after this is a fake out, okay, it was almost strong bullish move, and from that zone we saw that it's completely has broken the other way because of the news has come out. And now gold has, the way it has formed, what I think that we could see potentially, we could see the trending to the downside. So we got a good one on Eurujpy after Gbp AUD trade. So if you look at this Eurujpy trade, we saw that a bullish engulfer, and we can expect it to move to the upside. So we'll keep that running. I think NZDJPY also, if you look at the weekly, what we see that NZDJPY from the weekly, a bullish doji, and after breaking this kind of forming this bullish doji, what I think that NZDJPY highly likely will see that potentially upside. If you look at the monthly, we can see that it's a bullish engulfer followed by this month so far has come down. So from the daily, I think that this daily candle has come down, and we could see ultimately a doji and then continuation to the upside. So now in all of them, dollar yen also there is a probability for reversal. Looking at gold lower time frame, double doji on gold on the 5 minutes, which is bearish price action. Now with that on Eurojpy, we will hold that trade for full profit target. I'll keep that running, and in the meantime I will look for an entry on gold. Right guys, so let's see how it does. Also guys, if you want to if you're looking for a regulated broker, you can join our trade, link in the description. Okay, so in the meantime okay, the open trade. Yep, we are on Eurojpy buy trade. So Eurojpy TP target set at 157.466. Q. Thank you very much. Usdjpy is looking very good. Yeah. Thanks for no problems. Thank you. Now gold looks like that we might see that, you know, it created a false breakout, so you could see that gold coming down, right? So good, thank you very much. So from this resistance, in fact, gold had a rejection. So we'll keep that running Eurojpy, and as gold is coming down, we might see that you can see DXY. If you look at this DXY, form a double bottom, and we might see that a bit more upside on DXY. If you look at the daily, you can see the price on the daily resistance. I think the DXY might try to push up. Okay, so yeah, so there could be, at least in a sideway, we could see, so that could lead gold to the downside. Yeah, absolutely, Miraj, you can why not? Good afternoon, family. Thank you very much, Miraj. Yeah, you can can pass funded account, why not? Absolutely. All right, so let me look at so gold made a false breakout to the upside and then immediately rejected. Back to back 3 dojis on the 5 minutes. Okay, the way I see gold, guys, it's a probability for downside. We might see that it's trending down. Or can I look at GJ? Yeah. So you're looking at Gbpujpy, which is for me a bullish price action. Gbpujpy has formed a bullish engulfer. This candle on Gbpujpy for me it's a bullish. So what I think that what I see NZDJPY, Gbpujpy, CHFJPY, all of them form bullish price action CAD JPY. So looks to me that in all the instrument JPY pairs now currently looking very good, including dollar yen. Also dollar yen long-term bull market, you can see from the weekly support level had a bounce, and dollar yen, if you look at, this is a swing low which is broken, and I think dollar yen now a very good pair for potential bullish opportunity, and it grab liquidity from here from this inverted head and shoulder, and I think the dollar yen now will be trending to the upside. Okay, very for me it's a bullish price action, dollar yen. Okay, and gold, because dollar getting stronger with this news has come out, I think gold now could be downside because made a false breakout to the upside, grab liquidity. You can see this is a pure liquidity grab. Okay, and then form this bearish candle, and now we can expect it to trend towards the downside. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. So all right guys, so EuroJPY moving in the direction nicely, that's good. And I want to keep that running. GJ, I think that we might see this one also pushing high, long-term perspective. All right guys, so we'll keep that running, all of them that is running. And GBP AUD, we have close to 2.5 times profit on this trade. Like it hit that TP target, GBP AUD, and it has given us 108 pip on this single trade, which is 2.521 reward to risk. US30, Mohanad. Okay, let me look at US30. US30 is a bull market, but if you look at the daily, what we saw that last day of trading week, a bullish candle. Now today is the first day of trading week. We saw that this is the weekly bullish engulfer. Now this is a very interesting price action. You can see a candle down, up, down, and finally a strong bullish engulfer. I think that it may not move any more up and down. Instead, after a little pullback, we can expect a continuation to the upside. From the monthly, we see that the market already started to move up. Now if we look at the daily, this is the daily bullish candle from 4 hour. But you see that on US30, the price, you can see it might test the 20 EMA, I think, on the 4 hour, and then we could see that bullish move. So basically US30 for me is a bullish price action. Okay, so highly likely that US30 may continue to rise. All right, so very high probability for US30 to be bullish. Okay, with that said guys, today's session a little shorter due to some circumstance, and I will be coming on live again twice tomorrow. I hope that you guys enjoyed this live. We had a trade EuroJPY currently running, and which is running in good profit. This is also a VIP trade, and the way I have opened this position, if I turn on the TF indicator, you can see this buy alert. This is the trade was taken. Now if you want to access this indicator, this is our TF strategy indicator translated into a Pine script. You can access that from your student dashboard if you are a lifetime member. If you are not, then I would recommend you to join us today. There's a link in the description, and also link at the top of the chat. Click the link and then visit the website and then click join now button. You will be able to join us to learn everything and to grow as a trader in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So with that said, guys, it was enjoyable, and I want to see you tomorrow again twice. Today I had a funeral to attend, and I'm just a little bit of what I can say, someone passed away, so I just need to end the session for now, and I'll see you again tomorrow twice, in pre-London session as well as in New York session live. And until that, guys, stay well, stay happy, always manage your risk when you're trading, and I'm sure that you guys are doing very well. So yeah, that is it. And anyone looking for a regulated broker, guys, use About Trade link in the description and also link at the top of the chat. Thank you very much, and I'll see you twice again tomorrow. Stay connected, stay tuned.